First of all, we'll download the XAMPP. So here we are now going to download the XAMPP. As you can see, XAMPP for Windows, and XAMPP will download the latest XAMPP, okay, from here. So let's download it. As I have already downloaded the XAMPP, so no need to download the XAMPP again. Now we'll run the XAMPP. I mean, we'll install the XAMPP. So let's do it. It will take some time. So wait for some time. Don't get bored for a minute. As you can see, the Windows as XAMPP is a remote server. It's a offline server where you can keep your website, or where you can check your website, okay. And now let's now this blogs is coming. Now we are going to install the XAMPP. As we have already downloaded the XAMPP, so we cancel the installation process. Now to run the XAMPP, we will go to XAMPP folder in C drive, and there we'll go to scroll down, and I will go to XAMPP control, okay. And if we click XAMPP control, then we can run mysql and XAMPP Apache server, okay. We'll start Apache server and MySQL database. MySQL database is a database where where our data will be stored in the XAMPP software, okay. Now we can run the our localhost. If we type localhost, then we are going to the dashboard, okay. phpMyAdmin, click in phpMyAdmin. After that, you can create the database, okay. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more knowledgeable videos. Please subscribe my channel for more knowledgeable videos.